Okay, part 2. Floating islands. This one I had. Small island, big island, floating. Birds passing by. Floating, sunshine over here, shining on the 3 drawings to make. Eye height, bird's view, frog vision. I'm looking under the island, looking up the island, and looking against, looking at this. But 3 times the same. So I'm gonna test this one to analyze, let's say, the big shape. And I analyze the side of it and from above. So what I'm gonna do now, I'll put it in the first perspective. I'd like to have the bird vision, bird's view, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use 2 disappearing points, but they are outside the paper, because otherwise the perspective becomes too sharp. This can be fun if you just use those little laws I gave you. It has to do with perspective, to analyze the form, basic shapes. We need squares and cones first. And what I'm doing now is I'm first going to work it out with 2 disappearing points outside the paper. Freehand, keep it gray. And I'm going to put a cube over here, 2 cubes, because that's the basic shape I need. Okay, this one. Let's think about maybe a little bit bigger, the big one over here. So I'll do it on feeling that you look at a square in perspective. And, most important, helping lines, maybe I need some more over here. I do it transparent and grayish, not too dark, and not too many lines. Okay? Then I'm, let's say, going to analyze the composition. Okay, I'm searching for the middle. Over here, over here. Middle. To find, let's say, the bridge. And the bridge is, let's say, starting over here. To analyze, let's say, the next one, the next little island, which is connected by the bridge. Okay, and it's another small square. Yeah, okay. Gonna find this over here. Make it a little bit longer. Square. Yeah, feels like 2 blocks. You think, why are you using blocks and cubes to make, let's say, the idea of the island is organic, but first you have to analyze the basic shapes. And that's first the circle. To get this done, this one. And I must not forget the other ones which I had promised you. So I do in the second one to give it the side. Do another one. Okay. And then, let's say, what did I do more? It's too big. I had another one, so I need another block again. Okay, I'm gonna find out. That was halfway. I think so. It's fine. I almost forgot that it was more circles. Sorry. Now maybe you're lost. I'm not. Not yet. Okay, got another cube to do this. Sorry, almost forgot. Okay, this one. And there's also a small one here, and I do it just for freehand now, because I understand how big the ellipses should be. Okay. What I'm doing now, I'm going to, let's say, bring in the big line to use, let's say, for the island on top. Still a measurable form, but I'm not ready yet. Okay, remember this moment. Okay, side is still, let's say, going. You can use this, and use this. Looks like a cup. So, okay. So the bridge is still here. Yeah? And now I can connect already. It's a little bit more small. I make a bow on it, and over here also. Yeah? Okay, now it's connected. Is it in the middle? Looks like a little bit the side of it. Okay, we can find out. Okay, this is what we have. Now we need the cones. And the cones are, let's say, on different places. So I need the bottom of the circle. What is it? Yeah. The ellipse. I'm going to place over here. I'm going to make a big one over here. Was there a small one which you maybe can't see, but we're going to use it. I'm going to use this one. So this is the middle. Now I'm going to use, let's say, a cone shape. This one's not so long, and this one's long. Where are we? Over here. It's the middle. Okay. Same over here. We can use this one already. Put it down. I decide this is the height, but I have to repeat it for the other ones. And this one is the middle. Put it over here. Okay. Okay. The basic shape. Now I'm going to put, let's say, the building on it. The little house, just a block, the normal, what is it? Pointy rooftop over here. Okay, the house. What is it? The chair. Let's read a book. The tree. Place it over here. I can remember where to put it. It's a cone shape. This high, as high as the house. Middle. Okay. So it's the same form like the island, but then upside down. Let's say this upside down. Okay, and the person, we put them over here against the bridge. Okay. Okay, this is the basic shape. Now let's say I'm gonna use this. Sunshine up. It's not floating yet. Now I'm going to shade, I'm going to hatch, and I'm going to shade it in the right direction. Always hatch in the direction of the perspective. Please do, because it can be confusing if you don't. Okay. Where are we? Yeah, so now you see what you're going to miss when you, let's say, close it with hatching. You can still see it. First do this one, in perspective, the big form. Still, you can read it. Still, it's in strong shape. But now I can analyze to use it, let's say, in context. Okay. The bridge, I'm going to show you more. First, over here. This one. Oh. Make it pointy. Okay. Person. Bigger. And the bridge. And the bridge I have to make open with an eraser, which I am allowed to do. Okay, small. Okay. This is the basic shape. Let's have floating island. Number one. a bird's view from above, from the bird. Okay? Not ready yet?